Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change Wi-Fi password on Xfinity Gateway. Quick tip, step by step clearly. Connect your device to the Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type 10.0.0.0.1 and press enter. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. Enter the default username and password if you haven't changed them. The default username is usually admin. The default password is password unless it has been changed. Once logged in, look for the Gateway or Wi-Fi section. Click on Wi-Fi or Wireless. You should see your current Wi-Fi network name and password. Locate the field that displays your current Wi-Fi password. Delete the existing password and enter your new one. Ensure your new password is strong and secure. After entering the new password, look for the Save button. Click on Save to apply the changes. Your Wi-Fi network will restart to apply the new password. Reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi password. Make sure all your devices connect successfully. You have successfully changed your Xfinity Wi-Fi password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.